How do you troubleshoot a non-working electrical outlet? Have you ever plugged in a device only to find that the outlet is not working? It can be frustrating, but troubleshooting a non-working electrical outlet is a task you can tackle with some simple steps. Let's walk through the process together to help you get that outlet back in action. First, make sure the issue is actually with the outlet. Test the device you are trying to use in a different outlet that you know works. If the device works there, the problem is likely with the original outlet. Next, check other outlets and switches in the same area. Sometimes, outlets are controlled by wall switches. Make sure any nearby switches are turned on. It could be as simple as that. Now let's take a look at your circuit breaker or fuse box. Head to your electrical panel and see if the breaker for the outlet has tripped or if a fuse has blown. If a breaker has tripped, it will be in the off or middle position. Reset it by switching it fully off and then back on. If you have a blown fuse, replace it with one of the same amperage. If you have ground fault circuit interrupter outlets, which are common in kitchens and bathrooms, check those too. They have a test and reset button. If a GFCI outlet has tripped, press the reset button to restore power. Remember, one tripped GFCI can affect other outlets on the same circuit. Next, inspect the outlet for any visible damage. Turn off the power at the breaker before you do this. Remove the outlet cover and look for scorch marks, loose wires, or broken parts. Damaged wiring can cause the outlet to stop working. To check if the outlet is receiving power, use a voltage tester or a simple plug-in outlet tester. If there is no voltage, the problem might be with the wiring or the outlet itself. If you feel comfortable with electrical work, turn off the main power and remove the outlet from the wall. Check if the wires are firmly connected to the outlet terminals. Loose connections can cause outlets to fail. If you are unsure, it is best to call a professional. If the outlet is damaged or faulty, replacing it may be necessary. Always ensure the power is off before doing this. If you are not confident in replacing it yourself, hire a licensed electrician. If none of these steps solve the problem, or if you notice any signs of electrical hazards like burning smells or buzzing sounds, it is time to consult a qualified electrician. They can safely inspect and repair the issue. By following these steps, you can develop practical skills in basic home electrical troubleshooting. This knowledge not only helps you maintain a safe living environment but also builds your confidence in handling home repairs. Always prioritize safety and do not hesitate to seek help when needed.